Welcome back to another backtesting video. Okay, today's day 16, sorry. 16, okay? Crazy, man. So yeah, let's just get started. Yeah, enough talking, enough. Put this shit in full screen. Let's get going. Okay. Currently bullish, as you can see. Nothing much to it. Crazy bullishness. Okay. So definitely would only want to look for longs. And yeah. Currently about to be open right now. Okay. Currently manipulating. Or it could be a dump. But definitely have, I think that's SMT, no? Yeah, currently SMT at these highs with the S. That's kind of why we're dumping. I would want to see us maybe retracing this hourly gap right here. Okay. ES touched it, so we do have SMT. So now we're in this kind of predicament / channel of SMTs. So we'll see what we do. Want to see this manipulate one more time. Okay, nice. Maybe a 30-second clean model. Not the cleanest. Definitely don't think. Yeah. Okay. So now we swept it on the hourly. Oh, not yet. Okay. So yeah, we might just dump crazy. Okay, so swept. Currently retracing now. Let's see if we get this 1 minute. Watch out for SMT at these lows. Okay, so yeah, we're dumping. Now let's zoom out, see where we're going. Daily. Possible daily low. Yeah. Okay, or not. Or that was just another manipulation move, and then we make this 1 minute model. Okay, yeah, no, I don't think I would. Okay, so definitely that daily. What we want to retrace to, unless we want to sweep out this. Yeah, I think this is just a form of manipulation to the upside. Okay, tap 15 minute. Yeah, this looks good. See, we get a 1 minute entry. Okay. Hopefully we get filled and it just doesn't go without us. And take it to this daily low. Okay, tapped. Break even would be SMT. Oh, we have SMT already. Damn, might just be a break even trade. Fuck. Hoping this dump just dumps aggressively. Yeah, break even trade. Damn. Price action just completely died. And ultimately would actually never have stopped out. So right now it's just unlucky break even. Gotta follow rules, so let's do that today. Okay. Vicious dump. Wow. Not sure that was news or something, but crazy dump. Yeah, could say we're bullish now. see what we do with this POI. Okay, currently dumping right now. Yeah, I'm liking this, to be honest. 60 points. Let's just do 35 for about a 1 to 3. Okay. Low, yeah, this is very weak structure, no hourly gaps. Just a matter of, yeah, this looks good. Let's see if we get filled. Filled. Okay. Obviously we don't break even, but there should be no reason for this not to hit full TP. Okay, nice. Oh fuck. I forgot to. Last trade was break even. It was a 1 minute entry, I think, right? Fuck, I forgot to jump. You guys know I'm getting more data. Okay. I think it was definitely a 1 to 3. Alright, well, it was a break even anyway, so it doesn't really affect my. But we'll take this W, which is 1 to 3. Pretty much A plus. Draw liquidity aligned. Yes. 4-hour gap was. It was an hourly gap. 1 hour FEG SMT. Do we have SMTs at these highs? No. No. Entry time 9:50. Today is Monday, surprisingly. Monday. RR about 18 now. This was a continuation for sure. Okay. Let's try that today. So wow. Last trade TP was perfect. Well, not perfect. It was an obvious TP, but ideally we reverse off that sweep. Okay. So definitely bullish now, for sure. Definitely might want to sweep out all this low resistance liquidity, which is an hourly gap, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, right here. Generating crazy amounts of buy side. Whoa. Pretty aggressive dump. I'm coming across this. You might want to take out these equal lows if it's not SMT'd, which I don't think it is. Yeah, pretty much equal lows here, low resistance liquidity here, kind of. Not really. We have this hourly BPR that. See what we do at this 5 minute gap. 30 second, nothing clean, so we'll just draw 1 minute. Okay, click. Okay. Tap to 15 minute perfectly. 30 second, no. Okay, it's not the cleanest price action. I'll be honest. Okay, manipulating up. Okay, looked like we tapped something. which was this 30 breaker block. See if we get an inverse. Okay, continuing back up. Honestly, we just kind of reversed the hardest part of the lower leg. So this should be free now. Unless we want to manipulate lower and save it for later. But yeah. Whoa. Okay, crazy amounts of movement. I'm liking this. Let's see if we get. Okay, no SMTs here. So definitely saving equal highs. Okay, tapped. Oh, we have SMT? Okay, so we have SMT at these lows. Okay, so I don't know. Today's a very volatile but confusing day. Highs and shorts both look good. So we'll see what we do. We're gonna manipulate down, sweep out, tap this daily BPR, make our move up. Ooh, look at all this generated buy side, man. Launch should be free. But okay, tap this 5 minute. Okay, but we might just not get an entry. Okay, moving down, yeah. Okay, so this is looking. Tap the hourly BPR. Okay, this is great movement. Wow. Now let's do the inverse on the. Okay, 2 minute. Let's planar. Okay, let's try a 3 minute change of state. We manipulate one more time. Okay, so launch crazy amounts of generated liquidity. Might be one of those times where you just can't. We have this hourly turtle soup here. Okay, now we're just dumping. Okay, if we get a change of state, it should be a 2 minute. 48, one more. Can't get a change of state. Okay, you gotta change of state, but okay, this is a riskier one. You could definitely grab all this, but we have to go through this before we could grab all this. But if we're in premium of this initial move up, so yeah, tap premium basically to the tick. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna take this. Definitely a higher risk trade, but definitely a lot. You could grab all this. So we'll see. We'll give it a shot. Tapped. Nice movement. Great movement. Okay. Honestly, break even would just be premium of this 5 minute. Okay. Definitely want to be break even because we're in this 15 minute gap now. But if we get past this 15 minute, this should be pretty free given highs. So this might be a long trade. So we'll just we'll put this out. Okay, not moving the best volatility wise, but in the direction. Clearly see on the market maker buy model of the curve, but this is generating sell side, so we could definitely just dump just like that. But clear draw liquidity. It's actually the end of the day, but we're just gonna play it. See what if Asia continues. Okay, no, stop me out perfectly. Let's see if it goes. It actually might go. Start a 15 minute. That's funny. I think it. Okay, so yeah, like I said, it was a crazy kind of swing trade you could have taken, but crazy break even hunt. I'm telling you, the model is so good. And it made so much sense in the market that break-even hunts are also very accurate, because this point of interest has probably so many orders that are just resting, because it's the most fundamental model in my opinion. See, tapped it again, just always has a reaction. Tapped it again. But yeah, this model is very fundamental, and just very, break even. This was a 2-minute entry. Yeah, this was a 2-minute. This was a 1 to 3, I think. This was a B plus. Draw liquidity aligned. No. Reacting off a. This was a 4-hour, right? Hour. Oh, no, it was an hourly. Okay, hourly. An hour BPR. SMT, no. Entry was, I think, 11:52. And today it was a Tuesday. 18 reversal. Okay. See what we're at. 17 minutes. Yeah, no, I'll definitely. Just from that day. That was a very long shot trade, but crazy amounts. These amounts of liquidity normally just get taken out during news, which is kind of annoying, but very strong draw liquidity. Honestly, just shitty price action. But then again, it's December 20th. Holidays around, banks, But, the 15-minute, fuck. Where are you at? 10:40. There's nothing much to it. Definitely would have took this, though. Okay. Let's see what we do. Okay. I'm liking this. See what's supported by it. Not liking how we completely sold off. Accumulation, manipulation to the upside, kind of distribution. Yeah, not liking that. Could just be generating liquidity. Okay, that's a pretty good sweep. Back to the fair value gap. Clearly bullish. And we did target. We did target a lot, but about 15 point stop loss. Okay, place order. Entered. Okay, break even would be right here. Okay, break even. We should get running. Like, what the fuck? What time did that close? Close at 1:12. What the fuck? Oh, it was Christmas Eve. Made sense. Yeah. Short net stay. Yeah. Let me guess. Crazy pump. When was this? Sunday. This happened on a Sunday. Asia session. Just straight. Boom. Okay, so clear bias, clear draw liquidity. Unlucky enough, it wasn't a New York AM session, so it happens. But let's keep her going. Let's see if we can sweep this one more time. Thank you. Okay, swap this. 2-minute entry model. Pretty clean looking. Okay, sweep that down. Okay, so now we're dumping. Where do we want to head? Open 4 hour. Okay, tapped it perfectly. Let's see. 30-second, but you don't want to pair 30-second with a 4 hour. And no. Okay, swipe it again. Dumping kind of crazy. Ooh, that's a nice reaction. 3 minute. This is a 3 minute inverse or 5 minute? No, is it 10:24? 1. Yeah. Not liking that close. Yeah, this might just. Yes is already back at what? What is that decorrelation? Yeah, definitely just unlucky. But clear market maker buy model. Well, the start of one, but you just see. So just unlucky enough. ES is just a lot stronger than NQ. But should definitely see a continuation up, considering how bullish we are. Let's see if we get a 15-minute gap touch. Or a 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute, very ever so slightly though. Yeah, it should just kind of really explode up without giving us an entry. Oh, 1 minute. Damn, I missed it. Yeah, so the movement's pretty choppy, considering it's just holiday times. 28th of December, just not a lot going on in the market. Okay, now I would be expecting a dump, to be honest. Okay, not a lot going on. Let's show that there. I'm gonna find one more trade for you guys, but it is a little bit of a tough time in the market. Not tough time, it's just low volume. Holiday times. From December to New Year's, normally you don't really find a lot of stuff. I mean, yeah, continuously bullish. But I'm talking about movements, like normal movements. So yeah, crazy bump up. Clearly bullish. But might be one of those days where we just dump. So let's just see if we want to get a retracement to higher time frame gap or anything. Let's see what ES touched. If we get this 5 minute, we close. Okay. Tapping this 30-minute. We did sweep Monday. I think it's a 15-minute gap that we're tapping. 5 minute? No, but I think this the sweep of these equal lows. No. Okay. Do have a 5-minute entry, just not looking the nicest. Yeah, gonna dump. I want to see this retrace one more time. Watch out for SMT. Yep, SMT. So this looks even better. See if we get any entry models. 3-minute looks nice. Times it. 12:30. See if we get this. Two-minute entry model. One more. Okay, did lows. Take this. Stop below here. All this generate liquidity. And honestly, what is that one? Yeah, that's good enough. Damn, don't think we'll get entered. But yeah. Poor price action. Honestly, I might just call it a video. That is what, 1W, 1 break even. I've been backtesting off screen for like probably 5 hours now. As you could tell, we're at December. I think the last video was at like beginning of November. I don't know. But yeah, kind of a short video, but not even a short video, 27 minutes. Christmas PA, kind of bad PA, you know. And yeah, that is the video. That is day 16. I hope you guys have a good one. Have a good weekend. And I'll see y'all boys later. Peace.